All right, guys, today we're taking a look at the 1990 Volkswagen Bus. This thing has a nut and bolt restoration, just done within a year. Everything is brand new head to toe. You got a sink, a fridge. This is a sunroof model as well. Even got the little visor. Obviously, this does turn into a bed. You got a bunch of cabinets everywhere. Got both roof racks on the top. It's got 95,000 miles on her, but full restoration was done. Probably maybe 1,000 miles on it. Does have two different windows in the back. This one pops open, same with the one over there. Fridge is brand new.